Hello. Yeah, it's me, Lori with Lori's RV Life. Gosh, I don't even know what time it is. 2:27 a.m. Yeah. So I have decided that I'm leaving tomorrow at noon to go to the campfire in Paradise area to help out. I'll be going alone. Things didn't quite work out. So I just wanted to update you on what I've got going. I've got this stuff pretty much is all I've got left in my clothes right there. This is my blankets, my camera stuff, some more medical stuff that I found, my suitcase, pillows, and I've got a bunch of stuff in an ice chest. I've got some women's clothing here in this big bag, a blanket for my bed, and I'll take you out to the RV and show you the curtains I got made today and what I've done out there to get ready to go. So hang on and I'll get out there. So we are out here at the RV, or in the RV now. Let me turn on some light. Pretty dark and it is cold out here. Okay, so here's the curtains I just made today. I don't know if you can see the pattern or not, but the colors aren't as bright in the video as they are in real life, but they're gorgeous. I love them. Anyway, oh man, it's cold out here. Let me get some lights on so you can see. I've got, oops, sorry for all the quick zipping around making you dizzy. I've got blankets, I've got leg braces, back braces, I've got jeans, I've got jackets, sweaters, coats, lots and lots of hats. Yeah, lots of them. Some of them still brand new. This bag right here is a bunch of Levi's. And again, all this stuff is from my late husband. Lots of clothing. I pretty much just decided that instead of letting somebody Jew me down from whatever I priced them at a yard sale to whatever they want to pay, which would probably be a dime or something, I would rather give them to someone who is really, really, really in need. So I've got, you just saw that big closet there. Hi, Kitty. Hi. What doing, Biddy? I have company, a helper. Anyway, I got my bed made. I got more shirts. Boy, it's dark. I got more shirts in there. And more shirts in that closet over there. I don't know that you can see it or not. Hi, Kitty. Anyway, so I'm pretty much packed up. I've loaded up the RV with everything I'm going to need. I've emptied the tanks. I'll bring my refrigerator stuff out tomorrow. But yeah, I am taking off alone. I'm pretty nervous about that, so I could use some good juju or prayers or get me in good with the universe, will you guys? Because I'm pretty nervous about driving this thing by myself. Hi, Kitty. Anyway, so yeah, that's the plan. I'm pretty much all packed. I posted somewhere, I don't know where, that I'm gonna do chili dogs, cornbread. I'm taking a bunch of steaks that I bought a while back when I was in Oregon that they need to be cooked. They were frozen, but I'm going to take those and cook those I've got stuff to make some chicken Alfredo pasta stuff, some juices, eggs, you know, just things that I can cook to help. Oh, and some fried pies that I'm going to make out of the peaches that I canned over the summer. I've got about, I think, 12. Let's see, there's pints, quarts. Oh, it's a big jar. I'm tired. Anyway, so that's what's going on. I just want to let you know that, yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm going to go to Madeira first thing in the morning in my car and pick up some stuff at the grocery store that I still need. Kitty. And also get some new windshield wipers for the RV because I hear it's supposed to be raining. I'll get gas. I'll get fresh water. I don't know if you can think of anything else I've forgotten. Please post it below. Subscribe, click the like button, and share. Please share so that people know that, you know, even though the Red Cross and FEMA are there, these people still need help. And there are people that can't get to where Red Cross and FEMA are because they no longer have cars to get there. So if you'll share my posts, then I'll keep putting information in of where people are helping. Like the first place I'm going to stop is in Roseville. They're having a Christmas giving event where people are going to go and donate and fix meals. That's where I'm going to stop tomorrow and spend the night, and then, or not tomorrow, today, and then I'll go into Chico on Thursday. So yeah, that's the plan. And no, you're not coming with me, Mr. Cat. Look at this guy. Hey, buddy, can you say hi? Hi. Say hi, Petey. Anyway, so that's the deal. I need to go in and at least try to go to sleep. Every time I go to bed, my mind races constantly, and I think of a zillion things that I've forgotten, and I hop right back up out of bed. But I need to get some sleep if I'm going to drive tomorrow. So again, please share my videos. Subscribe if you haven't already. And if you click the little bell that's down there somewhere next to the subscribe button, what that does is that'll give you a notification when I post a new video. And it also helps other people find my videos, which would be a great help for these people and for me. So I am going to turn things off, and I am going to find my way to my bed and hopefully stay there. And I will videotape or try to set up. I need to learn how to do that. Set up to videotape while I'm driving. Anyway, I will try and get that set up so that you can see what's going on while I'm on the road. Anyway, good night, everyone. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with you in a couple of hours. Good night.